Hello kid, today we will draw a cute bunny ice cream. First draw the ice cream part. Draw some cloud shape. Draw some small and big curved line like this. Well done, now draw a big circle. And connect it on the other side. Good job, look how cute it looking. Now draw the ice cream cone. Draw a big curved line like this. Then draw another line and connect it. Good job, now draw some line inside it. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw some line from other side. Make some box-like shape. Good job, look, we almost complete the drawing. Now let's draw the bunny ear. Draw a big round shape. Just draw like me, and it will look very cute. Now draw the other ear also. Do the same thing, and it will look very cute. Draw a same small size inside also. Well done, now let's draw the eye. Draw a big circle, then slowly fill the color. Good job, now draw the other ear also. Draw a big circle, then slowly fill the color. Lastly, draw its cute nose. Draw a triangle shape, like this. Now draw a cute and happy smile. Draw a W shape. Well done, we complete the drawing. To make it more cute, let's draw some heart shape. Draw a big heart, like this. Now draw another heart shape, but make it small. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, draw the last heart and it's done. Look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, color the heart shape. Use red color and slowly fill the color. Do the same thing on each heart. First, color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job, now let's color the ice cream. First, use light pink color on ice cream. Color the outline first. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Color carefully outside the eyes. Draw the outline, then slowly fill the color. Use different colors and make your own creation. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now color on the ear also. Color only the outside of the ear. Don't color inside the ear. Now color the other ear also. Do the same thing, and it will look very cute. Now use dark pink color inside the ear. Slowly and carefully fill the color. Color both ears. Lastly, color the nose. Color carefully and don't color the outside. Now color the ice cream cone. I'm using light brown color, but you can also use different colors you like. Use different colors and make your own creation. Color the box carefully and don't color the outline. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use dark brown color and draw some line. Draw the line parallel and don't color the outline. Just color like me and it's done. Lastly, use white color to make it more shiny. First draw a big circle inside the eye. Now draw another circle and slowly fill white color. Good job, now draw some circle on the other eye also. Just draw 2 big dots and it's done. Now make some side line on ice cream. Color carefully only the side. Now draw some line on the ear. Draw line inside and outside also. It's looking very cute. Lastly, draw a big line in the cone. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how delicious it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.